Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If you're new, then welcome, and if you're old, then welcome back. Today I want to show you how I achieve these beautiful flexi rolled coils on my hair. But before we get into this video, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go down below and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. And without wasting most of your time, let's get straight into this video. For this video, I'm starting up with a pretty much detangled hair that I put in a 2-strand twist to prevent it from shrinking up. For the style, I'll be using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. First thing you want to do is add the mousse to the hair, then detangle with the white tooth comb, then roll the hair on the flexi roll just like this. Then bend the ends of the roll to keep the hair in place. Take another section of hair, add the mousse, detangle with the white tooth comb, roll the hair on the flexi roll set, starting from the end of the rod to the other end, then bend the rod to keep it in place. Repeat this process for the rest of the hair.
We're gonna keep it low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it.
So let me give you guys a closer view. Add the styling mousse, detangle with the white tooth comb, then coil your hair from one part of the flexi rod, then rolling it down to the root, going to the other side of the rod, and secure it by bending the ends of the rod. There you go. So guys, one more time, take a section of hair, add your mousse, smooth it in very well, detangle with the white tooth comb, get your flexi rod, coil the hair from one end, then roll it towards the other end. Then when you get to the root, you bend it to keep it in place. So guys, I'm going to go ahead to complete the other part of my hair off camera, and I'm going to come back to show you how it looks. So guys, to get a very nice coil, especially if you have a thick hair like me, you want to do this like in the smaller section so that your coils is going to come out looking good. So guys, this is how it's looking. I'm just going to let it to dry overnight and head to sleep, and I will see you in the morning. This is the next morning, and this is how it looks. I had the worst sleep ever. So I will advise, if you want to do this style, you can either do it early in the day where you have enough time for it to dry, or you just sit in under a wooded dryer or a dryer for 2 hours, then you should be good. So to take down the flexi rod, you just straighten the ends of the rod and unwind it in the opposite direction in which you rolled it in the first place. And there you go, one beautiful coil made. So straighten the rod, unwind in the opposite direction, and that's it. In case any of the coils does not come out properly, just use your hands to roll it back in the direction in which you initially installed it, and there you will have it. So I'm going to go ahead to take out the rest of the flexi rod from my hair, and I will come back to show you how it's looking.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna.
So the next step is to apply any oil of your choice to your hands, but me, I'm using the avocado oil, and just rub it to your hair. This is to create shine and to reduce frizz. Then separate the coils like this. You want to separate the coils from where the hair naturally separates. Then twirl it around your fingers afterwards to minimize frizz. So I'm going to go ahead to separate the remaining part of my hair, and I will be back.
Lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.
So guys, I'm done fluffing. So what I'm going to do next is using a white tooth comb, just fluff out the ends to pick out the roots and to shape it to the desired shape of your choice, and to make it, to add more volume to the hair.
Stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this This is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have.
So guys, I'm done picking the roots. So what I'm doing is just playing around with my hands to just set it to a desired shape in which I want it to be, and I'm done.
We can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
So this is what the back is looking like. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and families, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.